Good morning, student. Now we are discussing exercise 5.5 logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation, log differentiation कहाँ पे आएगा? जब हम दो फंक्शंस की मल्टीप्लाई होगी या दो फंक्शंस जो है वो पावर में होंगे, लाइक एज sin x रेज टू पावर cos x, x रेज टू पावर x या cos x प्लस log x इंटू साइन x, लाइक एज दिस. जब हमारे पास इस टाइप के फंक्शन होंगे वहां पे हम log यूज करेंगे. देन लोगरिथमिक डिफरेंशिएशन, अभी log डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे हम. कैसे कि सिर्फ log का डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं है, दैट मीन्स प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ log, लाइक एज log m into n, that means log m plus log n, and log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. कहीं पर भी हम ये नहीं करेंगे log of m plus n is equal to log m plus log n. ये रॉन्ग है, ये हम यूज नहीं करेंगे. ये कोई फंक्शन ही नहीं होता log of m plus n. जहां पे कभी इस टाइप का फंक्शन आएगा वहां पे हम क्वेश्चन बताएंगे कि उसको कैसे करना है. ये दो प्रॉपर्टी आप यूज करेंगे, दोनों प्रॉपर्टी log m into n, log m plus log n, and log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. इन प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करते हुए हम एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 5.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. लेट cos y is equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x, like as a function is y is equal to, y मान लिया हमने फंक्शन को, this cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. यहाँ पे टू फंक्शन की मल्टीप्लाई हो, 3 हो, 4 हो, तो हम वहां पे log प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे. देन टेकिंग log on both sides, then log y, log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Then taking log property, log m into n into p, then log m, log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x, and differentiate with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x, and then 1 by y, log y 1 by y dy by dx. Then log of cos x 1 by cos x, and cos x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन x, प्लस 1 by cos 2x, cos 2x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस साइन 2x into 2. This 2x का डेरिवेटिव is 2, plus log of cos 3x 1 by cos 3x into minus sin 3x into 3 is the differentiation of this. 1 by y dy by dx is equal to sin x upon cos x, sin upon cos tangent minus tangent x minus 2 tangent 2x minus 3 tangent 3x, and y is multiplied to this, dy by dx is equal to, minus term is common of all the terms, then y minus y, this y multiplied to this this tangent x plus tangent 2 tangent 2x plus 3 tangent 3x, and put the value of y, then dy by dx is equal to minus cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x into tangent x plus 2 tangent 2x or plus 3 tangent 3x. Then in question use the property of log m into n into p, then log m into n into p, then log m plus log n plus log p, and use this property. You understand this question? Like a same question number 2. Let y is equal to the square root of x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4 into x minus 5. The same question is this fx is square root of this x minus 1 into x minus 2 upon this x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. और भी बहुत सारी टर्म्स ऐसी हो सकती हैं. देन यूज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ लॉग. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे कि जो आपके पास स्क्वायर रूट है, दिस टेकिंग 1/2 पावर, स्क्वायर रूट इज 1/√2, square root means the power is 1/2. Square root means the power is 1/2. Then taking log on both sides, log y, log of this x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Taking the log property, log m raised to power n, then log of m and power आगे आ जाएगी n log m. Then use this property, log y is equal to 1/2 log x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. All the term are multiply and divide. Then use property again, log y 1/2 this log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. Use the log property and then differentiate with respect to x. Then 1/y dy by dx is equal to 1/2 log x minus 1 का डेरिवेटिव 1/x minus 1 प्लस 1/x minus 2 minus 1/x minus 3 minus 1/x minus 4 minus 1/x minus 5 is the differentiation of this. This y multiplied to this y multiplied to right hand side, then dy by dx is equal to this y is multiplying this 1 by 2, and y is this x minus 1, x minus 2 upon x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 and their square root, and then this 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is multiply of whole the term, and then this also multiply this 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5 is the answer. Then next question, question number 3rd, y is equal to log x raised to power cos x. Then taking log on both sides, log y, then log x raised to power cos x. Then use the property again, log y, this cos x log of log x. Then differentiate with respect to x. This two functions, this first and this second. Then 1 by y dy by dx is equal to cos x as it is, and differentiation of log x 1 by log x, and log x का derivative is 1 by x, then x into log x, and then plus log of log x, and cos x का derivative is minus sin x, and x का derivative is 1. Then dy by dx is equal to y into cos x upon x log x minus log of log x into sin x, and then put the value of y, and y is log x raised to power cos x, and put the value of y and then answer it this. Next question, question number 4. Y is equal to x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x. इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस में आप डायरेक्ट लोग नहीं ले सकते, क्योंकि log m माइनस n का हमारे पास log m माइनस log एक log दोनों पे ऑपरेट नहीं हो सकता, वो मल्टीप्लाई में हो सकता है, यहाँ पे नहीं होगा. Then suppose that x raised to power x u and 2 raised to power sin x is v. Then y is equal to u, this yx and ux and vx. That means the function y in terms of x, the function u in terms of x, and the function v in terms of x, all in terms of x. Then dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. तो जो हमारे पास टोटल डिफरेंशिएशन होगा, this total differentiation is dy by dx is this. तो सबसे पहले हम u सपोज करेंगे u is equal to x raised to power x, तो उसका डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे, and then 2 raised to power sin x, फिर उसका डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे, and then put the value of this x raised to power x u is equal to x raised to power x, taking log on both sides, then log u is equal to log of x raised to power x, and then log u x log x, and again two functions, then differentiate with respect to x 1 by u du by dx is equal to x as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, differentiation of x is 1, then 1 by u du by dx is equal to 1 plus log x, and this u is multiplied to this term, and then u is x raised to power x, then du by dx is equal to x raised to power x into 1 plus log x, and second term then v is equal to 2 raised to power sin x, taking log on both sides, then du dv upon dx, taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, log v log of 2 raised to power sin x, then log v is equal to sin x into log 2. log 2 is a constant term, हम इसको ऐसे ही रखेंगे like as 2 sin x, then differentiation of sin x, and 2 is the constant term, तो उसके डेरिवेटिव के साथ ही टर्म आएगी, and then use this differentiate with respect to x, ये एक ही फंक्शन है, दो फंक्शन नहीं है, and then 1 by v dv by dx is equal to differentiation of sin x is cos x log 2, and then dv by dx is equal to v into cos x log 2, then v is 2 raised to power sin x, and 2 raised to power sin x into cos x log 2, then put the values in this, then dy by dx, then this term is dy by dx is equal to du by dx x raised to power x 1 plus log x, this term negative, and then 2 raised to power sin x and cos x log 2, the differentiation of this term y is equal to x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x. Do you understand? Okay, same question, next question, next 2 or 3 questions are same, then use this 2 raised to x plus 3 raised to power 2, and then differentiate this all the term, and question number 6, y is equal to x plus 1 by x raised to power x plus x 1 plus 1 by x, and differentiate this function, let y, इसको हमने u मान लिया और इसको v मान लिया, ऐसे ही जैसे हमने पहले क्वेश्चन में माना था. Suppose that this y is a complete function and this this function is u and this function is v in terms of x, then differentiate with respect to x. अगर हम इसको differentiate करेंगे, then dy by dx, du by dx and dv by dx, and then solve this term. First this u and this v, and u is equal to x plus 1 by x raised to power x, taking log on both sides, then log u is equal to log of x plus 1 by x raised to power x, then 1 by u, log u is equal to x log x plus 1 by x, and then differentiate with respect to x, then this one first function and then second function. This 1 by u du by dx is equal to x as it is, then this log of x plus 1 by x, then derivative of 1 by x plus 1 by x, and then differentiation of this term, x derivative is 1 and this minus 1 by x square is the term. This differentiation of this, like as x plus 1 by x, x का derivative 1 and 1 by x का derivative x raised to power this, that means x plus x raised to power minus 1, एक पावर और कम होगी, इसका differentiation 1, इसकी power minus 2, then 1 plus 1 by x square, this negative term is this minus, and then differentiation of this x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square, and next one plus log of x plus 1 by x and differentiation of x is 1. Solve this. 1 by u du by dx is equal to x, this 1 by taking LCM x square plus 1, this term, and 1 this x square minus 1 upon x square plus log of x plus 1 by x, then this term is 1 by u du by dx is equal to this x into x, x square, this x square upon x square plus 1 into x square minus 1 upon x square, this cancel out to this, and plus a log of x plus 1 by x, and then du by dx is equal to u is x plus 1 by x raised to power x, and then this term is x square minus 1 upon this x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. This term is du by dx, and then differentiate with respect to x in term v, then differentiate v, and v is equal to x plus 1 by x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x, then taking log on both sides, then log v, log of x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x, then log v is equal to taking log property 1 plus 1 by x into log of x, and then differentiate with respect to x this term first and this term second, and then differentiate with respect to x differentiate with respect to x 1 by v dv by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 by x same into log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x plus log x as it is and differentiation of 1 plus 1 by x square. This differentiation of 1 is 0 and 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. This differentiation. And then 1 by v dv by dx is equal to this x plus 1 upon x square. X plus 1 upon x square is the term minus 1 by x square into log x, and then dv by dx we multiply this and v term is x raised to power 1 plus 1 by x into x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 by x square into log x, and then sum of both term dy by dx in this dy by dx, then du by dx, and du by dx is this term plus dv by dx is this term, then is the answer of this question. And same question number 7, question number 8, question number 9 all are same. Then question number 11, question number 11 is also same. Then we use question number 12. Okay, first we try question 1 to 10 and some question are remain, then try yourself. If you have any problem, please discuss. And 1 to 11 questions are same, then one question are also solved. Question number 10, y is equal to x raised to power x cos x plus x square plus 1 x square minus 1. Then differentiate this. This y is equal to yx, this ux and this vx, and differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, and then use the property x raised to u is equal to x raised to power x cos x. Then taking log on both sides, then log u log of x raised to power x cos x. Then taking log property, log u is equal to x cos x into log x. Then there are three functions, x, cos x and log x. Then differentiate with respect to x then 1 by u du by dx. There are three functions like as first, second and third. First as it is derivative of both two, then differentiation of this, differentiation of this. जब हमारे पास तीन फंक्शन होते हैं तो वन बाय वन हम एक एक का डेरिवेटिव करते चलेंगे, दो को सेम रखेंगे. देन दिस फंक्शन इज x log x एज इट इज. पहले इसका डिफरेंशिएशन कर रहा हूं मैं. x cos x एज इट इज, log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x प्लस then both are as it is, cos x log x, x का डेरिवेटिव 1. then this both functions are same, this both function are same and then both are same, then plus x log x into cos x का डेरिवेटिव minus sin x, this minus sin x. then dv by dx is equal to u into this, x से x कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, this cos x plus cos x log x minus x log x sin x. and then value of u is x raised to power x cos x. then du by dx, this du by dx is equal to this. and then find dv by dx. v is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. then taking log on both sides, then log v, log of x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. then use log property, then log of x square plus 1 minus log of x square minus 1. then differentiate with respect to x. then 1 by v dv by dx, 1 by x square plus 1, x square plus 1 into 2x, the differentiation of x square plus 1, minus 1 by x square minus 1 and then differentiation of x square is 2x. then 1 by v dv by dx is equal to this 2x upon x square plus 1 minus 2x upon x square minus 1. then we multiply to this, then dv by dx is equal to x square plus 1 x square minus 1 into 2x upon x square plus 1 minus 2x upon x square minus 1. then last thing is dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, and du by dx is this and dv by dx is this. Sum of all terms is the answer of dy by dx. then solve question number 1 to 11 in your notebook, and thank you.